Good afternoon, Rabbis. Yesterday, I sent the video of exercise 6.3, question number 5 and 6, and example sum 6.31. Now you go for example 6.32. So given a pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. Okay, so we can take the tower. In this tower, how many meter high pole? 5 meter high pole, right? 5 meter high pole we can fix on the top of the tower, and this is ground. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point A on the ground. Okay, so we can take the point A, right? From the point A, the angle of elevation of a top of the pole. So this is the top of the pole, angle of elevation from the point A on the ground. So from the point A, we can see the top of the pole at angle of elevation 60 degree. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. And the next, and angle of depression to the point A from the top of the tower. Okay, so this is the top of the tower, right? Okay, so this is the height of tower line, and then here given angle of depression of the point A from the top of the tower. Okay, this is the top of the tower, and angle of depression to the point A. So here angle of depression from the top of the tower to the point they given 45 degree. Then find the height of the tower you want to find. Okay, so given a 5 meter pole fixed on the top of the tower, and we can see the top of the tower to the point A. Angle of elevation is 60 degree, and then second one given top of the tower from the point A. Here angle of depression they given 45 degree. Okay, now you want to find here height of the tower you want to find. Okay, so I can take the height of the tower, this one. So I can take this is h. Height of the tower I can take h. So total we can take h plus 5. Total we can take h plus 5. Okay, and then adjacent side they not given, so I can take that is x. So here the point A, here we can take point B, and this is point C, and this is point D, right? We can take the point A, B, C, D, like that we can take the. Okay, here you want to find the height of the tower. So height of the tower h you want to find. Okay, so given DA is equal to x, DA is equal to x, and CD is equal to h, and then BC is equal to 5. Okay, total we can take BD is equal to h plus 5. Okay, so this is the given diagram for given question. Now you want to find the height of the tower you want to find. Okay, now I can take the triangle 60 degree. First I can take the triangle 60 degree. So here angle of depression we can take here 45 degree. Okay, so first we can take 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree, it is in a right angle of A, B, D. Okay, so first I can take the 60 degree, right? 60 degree I will take the. So 60 degree is a triangle for A, B, D, right? So take the right angle triangle right here. So right angle triangle A, B, D. Right angle triangle A, B, D, right? Here angle is 60 degree, and BD, right? BD is equal to 60, sorry, BD is H plus BD H plus 5 da. So we can take here H plus 5 and adjacent side AD we can take X. Okay va? So these are given da. So from the 60 degree we can take ABD, right? ABD, AD is equal to X and BD is equal to H plus 5. So now take tan theta da. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is BD, adjacent side is AD. Okay, now theta is here 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side BD H plus 5 by adjacent side X. Here theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to root 3 H plus 5 by X. So take cross multiple, we can get X root 3 is equal to H plus 5. So X root 3 is equal to H plus 5 da, this one. So first we can take 60 degree, we get find the answer this one da. Next we can take 45 degree. Okay, so in 45 degree the triangle is ACD. Okay va? So in 45 degree we can take the triangle ACD. So take right angle triangle ACD. So right angle triangle ACD, right? Here CD is H, AD is equal to X, angle is 45 degree. Okay, so this is adjacent side and this one is opposite side. So we can use tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, right? Opposite side is here CD by adjacent side DA. Here theta is 45. So tan 45 degree is equal to CD is equal to H and adjacent side is equal to X. So 1 is equal to H by X. Take cross multiple, X is equal to H. So now we can get X is equal to H, right? But here you want to find height of tower, H you want to find, right? So now we can find X is equal to H. So take and substitute here. So X is equal to H, we can substitute here. So we can get H root 3 is equal to H plus 5 because X is equal to H. So X is equal to H, I can substitute here, right? That is substitute X is equal to H. We can substitute here, we can get this one. And the plus H come this side, minus H. So H root 3 minus H is equal to 5. So here we can take H is common. We can get root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 equal to 5. Then next H is equal to 5 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, so here you have denominator 2 terms root 3 minus 1. In this first exercise, like that they given means you want to take the conjugate and multiple the numerator and denominator. This step you know very well, right? So taking the conjugate, multiple the both numerator and denominator, I can use this step. Okay, next we can get 5 into root 3 is 1.732 plus 1 by denominator we can use the formula a minus b and a plus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So here a is root 3 square and b is 1 square. So we can get 5 into, we want to add, we can get 1.732 by 3 minus 1. So we can get 5 into 2.732 by 2. So we can cancel this one. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 6 2s are 12. So next we can get h is equal to 5 into 1.366, right? We can multiple these two, we can get answer h is equal to 6.83 meter. That is height of the tower is equal to 6.83 meter. Okay, clear ada? And the next I will go for next sum. Example 6.33. Example 6.33. Okay, see the question. So given from a window, right, they given h meter high above the ground, right? So here I can take the window. I can take the window, right? This is how many meter? H meter above the ground. So h meter above the ground. So this is ground. Okay, I can take the window. The height of the window is h meter they given, right? And the next, of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house. So top and foot of another house. So I can take the another house, right? I can take the another house. Okay, here they given angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of the another house. Okay, top and foot of the another house. So again, first I can take the top of the another house. So this is the top of the another house, and from the foot of the another house, this one. Okay, so this is the height of the windows. This one is height of the windows line. Okay, this line is I can take windows height. Okay, so windows height is h. So same height I can take here. Okay, now top and foot of the another house and opposite sides of the street are theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, so theta 1 and theta 2. So top is the angle of elevation they given theta 1. Okay, top is angle theta 1, and foot of the house is the angle of depression is theta 2. So angle of depression theta 2. So now we can standing windows, we can see the top and foot of the another house, right? Here top of the house is angle of elevation theta 1 and foot of the house is depression theta 2. Okay, these are given. So next we can take the points A, B, C, D and E. Now you want to find height of the opposite house, that is height of the opposite house. This is the BD is the height of the opposite house. You want to prove that h into 1 plus cot theta 2 by theta 1 only you want to prove. Okay, so you want to find BD, right? This BD you want to show that this one, that is h into 1 plus cot theta 2 by theta 1, that is height of the opposite house. You want to prove this one. Okay, here adjacent side they not given, so I can take x, and here also this one they not given, I can take x. CD value also they not given, so CD I can take y. CD I can take y. Okay, here you want to find height of the opposite h. You want to find that is you want to find this is h and this is y. So you want to find h plus y. That answer you want to find h plus y. This is the height of the opposite house. Okay, you want to find the height of the opposite h plus y you want to find. Okay, first I can take theta 1. Okay, so given AB is equal to x, and then BC is equal to AE equal to h, and then EC also X, EC also X, and CD equal to Y, and the next BD is equal to H plus Y. That is height of opposite house. Height of opposite house BD is equal to H plus Y. So you want to find H plus Y. This answer only you want to find the. Okay. So first I can take the triangle first theta 1. Right? Theta 1, it is in a right angle triangle of ECD. Okay. So first I can take the triangle first theta 1 ra, right? Theta 1 is right angle triangle ECD. Okay. So take right angle triangle ECD da, first one. Right angle triangle ECD, right? Here theta is theta 1, theta is theta 1, and opposite side EC is equal to X, right? EC is equal to X, CD is equal to Y, right? CD is equal to Y. Okay, so this is adjacent side and this one is opposite side. Okay, we can use the formula tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, here opposite side is here, CD by adjacent side is equal to EC. Here theta is theta 1 ra. So tan theta 1 is equal to CD, opposite side Y by adjacent side is equal to X. Okay, then we can change to X this side. X is equal to Y, tan theta will come, divide tan theta 1. Okay, you know the formula, 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. You know the formula, 1 by tan is equal to cot theta. So we can change X is equal to Y cot theta 1, because 1 by tan theta 1 is equal to formula cot theta 1. Okay, I can use this formula. So we can get X is equal to Y cot theta 1. Right? So this is the result for X. Now we can use tan theta 1. Next we can use theta 2. Right? Take the triangle draw. Theta 2. Right? Theta 2. Here depression they given. This one equal to will come here. Theta 2 here. Next we can take theta 2 da. So theta 2, it is in a right angle triangle of BEA. Okay. So next I can take the right angle triangle BEA. BEA. Right. Here A is equal to H and AB is equal to X. And theta is here theta 2. Okay. So this is adjacent side and this one is opposite side. So use tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side AE by adjacent side is AB. Here theta is theta 2. So we can get tan theta 2 is equal to opposite side AE is equal to H and adjacent side is equal to X. So next we can get X is equal to H by tan theta 2. X is equal to H by tan theta 2. Clear? So here we can use the formula 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. So same one we can use here. We can get X is equal to H cot theta 2. So we can get X is equal to H cot theta 2 we can get the. Okay. So now here X is equal to Y cot theta 1 and here X is equal to H cot theta 2. Okay. So 2 also X value da. 2 also X value. Okay. So we can take equal da. So we can get Y cot theta 1 is equal to H cot theta 2. Right? Here also X and here also X. So left hand sides are equal, then we can get right hand side also equal. So like last we can get like that. Okay. Next we can find Y. Y is equal to H cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. So Y you want to find Y is equal to h cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. This is the value of y. Okay, here you want to find height of the opposite heights. Height of the opposite house you want to find h plus y you want to find. Right? Now we can find y value. Okay, this y value take and substitute here. We can get the height of the opposite house. Right? So height of opposite house. Height of opposite house is equal to h plus y da. So equal to h plus y. Okay, so h plus y already we can find, take and substitute here. H cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. Clear, Ada? Understand this one? Okay, now here both h we can take common, so we can get h we can take common, we can get 1 plus cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. So this is the height of the opposite house. Clear? Understand this one? Okay. Thank you, boys.